Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode we're going to be talking about Ethereum crashing. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave in the comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technical, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links will be going out right now. They don't want to go out to YouTube, so let's go over here. It's weird. Sometimes it does go out to YouTube. Sometimes I have to manually copy and paste it. Awkward, right? Awkward stuff. So remember, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, right? Help out the channel, bro strong. Let's spin this coming up there at the top. Hit a message, man. Anyways, that being said, thank you for being here. Thank you for coming in and joining the stream. Let's see who's in the house. Jeff Loomis. Hey, Andrew. What's up? Preparing for war. What's up? And to Gamer. What is up, guys?
What's up?
Let's move on and start doing the technicals. I'm gonna be a little bit short on the stream. I'm sorry about being late. They're doing some work outside of the building. It's just freaking loud, so I wasn't sure what time they were gonna finish. I don't think they're gonna finish, so I just jumped in. Hi, Carrie, how's it going? Thanks for being here. So I just decided to jump in and do the stream and deal with it. So, you know, they were like, I'm not sure what they were doing, but they were doing some things, man. It sounded like they were sawing some stuff, so we'll see. Dude, it sounds so loud. Anyways, let's keep rolling. Market cap. Yesterday going down, breaking that 20. Oh no, we dropped 4.66%. What a big drop, 66.21 billion, right? Significant. Right now, $1.34 trillion. That's the current value of market for crypto. Right now, going down 0.95%. Going too crazy again. Alt's dropping more than Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is only dropping 0.32%. Alt's dropping 1.49%. Where's the Bitcoin at? Bitcoin dominance at 48.82. it gained dominance yesterday, right? Because alts dropped a lot more than Bitcoin, and it's gaining dominance today because alts are dropping more than Bitcoin. So 45.50. Let's check out the Bitcoin price at 32,754. We're gonna go with this chart first. Let me see if I can get this to work. There we go. It seems that is working a little bit slow, man, for some reason. So I'm gonna extend up right now, I think, for the stream. I like sending stream a little bit better than sitting stream, but my back has been hurting for the last 2 days, guys. Can you believe that? My back's been hurting. I'm not sure why my back's been hurting. It's just crazy. I think from all the boxes I moved. Anyways, Bitcoin. We're still in the falling wedge, right? The falling wedge. It falls and it still comes out. Falling wedge is sent to break to the upside. We haven't seen that yet. Hopefully that's what we're gonna do, right? Hey, Crypto Dingo, how's it going, man?
What's up?
Andrew, what news? What are the good news, man? Hey there, man, how's it going, man? It has statistically passed Bitcoin as America's favorite crypto. Ooh, that is nice. Congrats. If you hold ADA. Ooh, round of applause. There you go. Let's get rolling, right? Let's get seeing what's happening with the crypto market. Bitcoin, like I said, going down. Do you have anything bullish? No, nothing else. I mean, we had this bullishness here. We're still moving down on that, falling wedge. Briefly broke out of this area of support resistance. You'll see where we're at here on the area of support. That's been quite a bit here. We're below 33,090. We're sitting at 32,832, and looks like we could be aiming to head for 31,432. That'll be the next area of support. At least the main major area of support. Unless we do a reversal right now. Try to go higher. There's nothing bullish. Neutral at 42.60. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, it's just sideways motion, right? Andrew, what's up? The other Andrew. There's two Andrews, man. CBA and regular Andrew. Or Fire. Yeah. Your name sounds like a pirate. Does anyone know if the London Hard Fork unlocks all that staked Ethereum? I'm not sure. Anyways, look at this. Triangle formation. Broke it. Downside. Again, symmetrical triangles could break it away. Break it down, so we try to climb. Rejected 33,090. Again, we already had this yesterday. We were getting that indication that we might break down, right? At 9 p.m. Look at that. 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. candle. We're already on the red. So we're looking for that break. Move gets us targeting around the 30,000s here. In that bottom part, we're targeting 30,213, right? More or less. So Bitcoin could be going if it keeps going down. I know, it's horrible. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, lower, nothing bullish. Sold at 39.13. That is it, man. Again, we're moving down. We knew yesterday we were breaking that. We're looking for a chance to go back up, but look at that. Beautifully came and closed at 33,309 and broke that area. Broke that 33,090. That's just been struggling, right? Market's not feeling too bullish short term. Short term, I should say, right? Look at that bearish divergence, right? When we had that yesterday, 7 in the morning, we were here last night. Look at the candle. We were trying to hold this area, try to climb back up. We didn't have anything bullish. What happened? We dropped farther down. All right, on that drop, we might have created some bullish divergence here to this drop. But just to confirm that, I'm going to check here real quick. I'm not sure we're going to have it against the RSI. I think we might have it against the MACD, right? Let's see this from here. Here, we're going from negative to less negative, which is what we want to see when we're looking for that bullishness, right? A bullish divergence. Look at that. Low, lower low. Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. We did move up. Try to break above that 20, failed. Try it again. Got above it, but failed to get above 33,090, and thus we're dropping back down again. Now, are we creating any more bullish divergence? I think we're dropping slightly lower. Look, low, lower low, negative to positive, right? Strong bullish divergence once more. This is why we have not dropped down to that $31,000 area, because of this bullish divergence that we just manufactured. And we just created this last 1 hour candle, basically, last 2 hour candles. Right? 2 1 hour candle. I'm gonna go with this. Wow, there's. You just feel like they're moving a lot of stuff there, man. Hopefully you guys can hear that in the background. It's really, really loud where I'm at. Anyways, let's keep rolling. Trying to bounce on bullish divergence. We get above the 20. If we're trying to go higher still, should be aiming for that 33,090. If we get above there, 33,300. And above there, 34,151. If we reject, we're going to have the 20 as support and 31,432. Those could be the moves for Bitcoin upside and downside, right? We've talked about them. So, let's keep checking out. Crypto 6, 2 separate events. If you're talking about your 2 staking, those get unlocked at the start of Ethereum 2.0. Yeah. So let's keep rolling. That's it for Bitcoin, right? Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum's in pain. We knew that yesterday. We talked about it. Still dropping 0.62%. Not too bad. But Ethereum, look at that drop yesterday. It was dropping a little bit more earlier today. 8.57%. Then we dropped 0.73% today. Right, we're trying to hold on to that 20 moving average on the daily. That's going to be very nice if we hold on to that there. But there's nothing bullish. We're going from a low point to a high point. Negative to less negative, low to high. There's no even a bullish pattern being made. Fortunately, we don't have a lot to go on. Just this hidden divergence breaking us down. Could this strong bullish take control and pump higher still? It's gonna depend. It's gonna depend whether or not we get the bounce here and hold that 20. If we hold that 20, we could be looking for a bounce. Good interview, Andrew. Oh yeah, that's correct, Andrew. How did your interview go? Did you get the job? Did you get the job done? Let us know. Look, Ethereum. Yesterday we had this, right? We're breaking here at that 7 p.m. candle, and we're looking for that move down. We've been, targeted, and I said, I'm not sure if the move we're going to get is from here to here where we're anchoring, or from here to here, right? They both work. On one of the moves, look at that. Beautiful. We hit it. That wick from this candle came out, hit this area, and it looks as though we're trying to reject. So, when are we going to know? Basically, if we start turning around here, we might infer that the market's starting to feel a little bit bullish, and we might be trying to find some support, right? There is hidden divergence, hidden bullish divergence. This is here against the RSI, sold 34.35, still pointing down. There's no signs of the carnage stopping yet. We can still go and dropping. But we're trying to hold. We could go sideways for a bit. 20 moving average, very high up there. Above that, 2,263, right? All right, man, I'm zooming out a little bit more. I really want to get this read. Not the strongest looking. Not the strongest looking, right? For some reason, Ethereum is giving me other line reads here. I don't like this line. Why do I have line? I have these red lines here. Weird. I'm gonna have to check. Having some lines here on the red. I'm not sure why they're there for. And I rarely draw on red, so gotta figure out what they're from. Got to reschedule. Interesting. Good luck with that, man. Anyways, first target on that move down, hit, right? We knew yesterday we could move here. Look at how good we hit that zone. Good, we're like within a fraction. More measure from where we actually broke. There we go, it's the same area, cool. I had it right. And that point was 2050.49. Lowest point here, 2050 on the dot. We hit target, first target hit. How are we gonna go for that second part, right? Basically, if we bounce here, it's just going to confirm that the move was from here to here. Right? If we don't, and we drop lower, then we're going to be confirming that the move's from here to here. And then the pain goes all the way down here to around $1,774. Not what we want to be looking at, right? Not what we want to be looking at for Ethereum. Let's keep rolling. Ethereum on the 1 hour, man. Ethereum on the 1 hour. What are we doing? This is an automatic. There we go. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. Low to high, bullish divergence, strong potential for action to the upside. I like that. I like that. Sorry, this is 1 hour. So. There it is, right? Bullishness. Strong bullish divergence. You can get it to pump more. 20 moving average would be around 2,141. Ignore the fibs. They were there for another move. We're going to get rid of them right now. We're just going to go back and revisit that move. Right, three rising valleys we called out. Look at that. Beautiful. Played out even to this point and then some. So we talked about how to play that pattern, right? Get rid of the fibs. We no longer need them. It's going to make the chart a lot better. Maybe cleaner. Bullish divergence, like I said, action to the upside. Should be aiming for that 20 moving average at 2,141.60. We are sold at 31.53. No, sorry, 31.35. And it looks as though we're trying to climb. We're still pointing up here on the RSI. Hopefully Ethereum will get that 20 and get above there. Resistance line right now would be looking like this. I ended up hitting something back here on the keyboard. Feels as though we just rejected. There we go. So I'm anchoring from this point here. Then I wanted to make sure I'm hitting that middle part here, right? I'm zooming here a little bit more so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I want to make sure I was hitting this middle part here, right? To make sure I'm hitting that middle part of the candle. As I'm anchoring, as you can tell, we're hitting that area resisting and rejecting. So we're rejecting right now that resistance line. What I'm going to do is switch it to blue. That way we're going to know it's a resistance, or purple. Not sure what color. Go with this one. If we get above that line, we have that 20 to look forward to. And if we get above that 20, we could be in a short-term bull trend for Ethereum. Again, not too bad. Nothing bearish right now. Just bullishness. And hopefully Ethereum will be able to get this and pump higher. Tony Yee, what's up, man? Thanks for being here. Look at that. Ethereum chart down is no longer there. So we cannot do it for our perma bear who comes in here every now and then and asks, demands that we do. Ethereum down. Hi, Card Jesus. Where are you at, man? Look at the daily man on Binance. There we are. Let's zoom in here. Again, rising wedge, right? We have not broken. We have come down, hit that 20 pound support. So with that rising wedge, neutral at 46.31. Nothing bearish. Right? We didn't have anything bearish yesterday. We don't have anything bearish today. So with the 4-hour chart, Jesus, I know. Jason says this is a result from the founder destroying all of that Ethereum. This is what happens when Bitcoin is ready to be dumped. Yeah, good question. Binance, bearish divergence, action downside. We knew that yesterday. And we're moving down since. We're going down here. Try to hold on at 20. That failed. Rejecting the 20, moving down. Low to high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence. I think it's hidden. Can you see it? It's hidden. Of course you can't. It's hidden. How are you going to see it? We're going to spot it because we know what we're looking for. I'm kidding. You can all spot it. And I'll see it now. I hope you can chart this now. Chart this every day. Hopefully you guys are starting to pick up on this. There we go. Neutral at 43.21. Now let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right. Low, lower, low, negative, less, negative, strong bullish divergence here on the Binance. Dude, look at that. Not only that, we also had some hidden bullish. Look at this. Here. Here's still, no, we kind of got rid of it. We had some hidden bullish and we pumped. I was even going to track here. We just went sideways. Then here we created this strong bullish divergence. Or potential action to the upside. We're starting to get a small rally happening here. Look at that. 2 ring candles. Woo! Party mode. We're neutral at, we're sold at 38.75. That being said, As for Binance, again, potential fraction upside started pointing up here on the RSI. Could be looking for a test of that 20 moving average at $312 right now, sitting at $306. So maybe a nice pump here, right? Won't be that bad. What are we looking at here? Like a 2% rally? Almost 2%. Great. Check out Litecoin, man. Litecoin. Ooh, the Litecoin. What'd it do? On the daily. Wasn't doing anything on the daily, I think. Last time we looked, it was just flatlining. Now it's dropping a little bit. Again, we are going down a bit. Low to high, negative, positive, low to high. Nothing here. Sold at 38.60. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. Breaking down to that upsloping, or sorry, that symmetrical triangle we had. Again, we're breaking down yesterday. We haven't hit a measure move yet. It's pretty solid. We haven't hit that measure move. So we're moving down, rejecting lower prices. Could be that we have bullish divergence on the shorter time scale like we did with the other projects. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Sold at 34.39. Let's go to that 1-hour chart and see what we're going to do there, man. This stuff didn't anchor last time, right? It was coming onto the 4 hours, so we're going to leave it here. I'm just going to leave it here. We had that hit bearish divergence yesterday. We moved down on that. Great. Guess what? Bullish divergence now. Strong bullish divergence. The whole freaking market is doing the same thing. So we could be expecting to potentially get a market bounce tomorrow. Hopefully we get a market bounce on all the bullish divergence that everyone is building. Except for Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin didn't have bullish divergence, but Ethereum and alts are having this bullish divergence. And it's looking pretty good. Neutral at 40.07. Meaning we can still go up to that neutral zone and then try to go back up more. That's for the Litecoin. Let's go to RSR. The RSR. We had the bearish divergence and we broke down. We're looking for that hidden bullish. Guess what? We pumped a little bit, then dropped more. Let's get on that daily. We'll come back to the 1 hour. Bearish divergence strong, hidden. Action to downside, hitting that 20. We're trying to reject it right now. We might try to come back up throughout the day to hold it. There is strong bullish divergence developing on the 1 hour chart. I've seen it. And we're sold. Sorry, we're sold neutral. We're neutral. 41.33. From that 4 hour chart, man. Low to high, high to low, right? Bearish divergence strong. We broke down from there. Low to high, negative, more negative. We're starting to create some hidden divergence, right? Hidden divergence. What do you guys think of purchasing stuff with Bitcoin? Like you need actual use case, not just hodling it and hoarding it. What are your thoughts on actually purchasing stuff? Being like, yo, I'm gonna buy a car with Bitcoin. Or hey man, I'm gonna buy an apartment with Bitcoin. Or yo man, I'm gonna buy a plane ticket with Bitcoin. What are you guys' thoughts on that? Look at that, we're dropping lower. We're getting rid of that divergence. We just gotta wait for our chart to confirm whether or not we want to have this. We had it when we were looking at it. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Prepping for war says, I've been seeing more commercials about Bitcoin ATM machine in the States. That's pretty good. Coin flip. Neil Patrick Harris became their spokesperson. Hey, man. Crypto Gamer says, I buy almost everything with Bitcoin. Ooh, that is pretty good. It is fairly good, right? Giving it use case, right? Hodling it does nothing for it. If everyone hodls Bitcoin, no one's willing to sell, there's no point in having it. Transacting with it is what gives it value, right? Crypto Gamer says, I buy computer parts on Newegg, use a Bitcoin payment on BitPay. Ooh, nice. Doesn't it always create a taxable event in addition to other taxes? Yes, if you had gains, it does. If you didn't have gains, it doesn't. And if you're buying and selling almost immediately, it shouldn't, because you're just buying and selling, so yeah. And if it's less than $200, I think it's not a taxable event. Low to high, right? sold at 32.98. So again, there's strong bullish divergence. Good. Hello, bro. You got your table? Yes, I got it. It's not a table, it's a desk. Yes, this is a wood desk. I'm not gonna say knock on wood and it's hardwood. No, it's not hardwood, it's softwood. It's actually cedar. So it's gonna smell really nice in here once this cedar starts to age in some of those oils that it still has. Good, and once, you know, they finish the polyurethane or whatever finish they put in here. So I think it's a poly something. Not polyurethane. It might be urethane, I'm not sure. But whatever finish they have dries out, it's gonna start permeating, because I asked them to not put that on the bottom of the table. So they didn't stain the bottom of the table, or at least part of the bottom of the table is not stained. It's also not covered on this finish. So the wood is able to breathe through the bottom, and it's gonna be able to, you know, put out nice smell. It's gonna be really awesome. Maybe a tour of setup once I'm ready. Yes, once this room is ready, I'll give you a tour of the setup. Tax will be equal to taxes. You have to take out the paycheck. You earned it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see, man. Well, I have to do a tour of the setup. Remember, this is still a storage room, so it's not like a clean setup. There's stuff in the background. There's stuff there. There's stuff there. There's gonna be stuff over there. It's just a corner of this area that I've appropriated for myself. Once I get my laptop, I will. Once I get my laptop, I will, you know, start doing the stream, the setup, because I don't have the laptop. So it's gonna be a pre one, and I don't have the cables managed yet. Leonel, ¿cómo estás? How are you, man?
What's up?
Haven't seen you in a while, Leonel. I hope you're doing good, man. Loving the ambient lights. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Did I get rich from the Wave Rider yet? No, I haven't even looked at it, man. Had a really heavy day today. I even started the stream late. There was a lot of noise in the background when I was starting. Anyways, there's no cable management, because I'm not gonna do cable management until I get the laptop and I get the final setup. So that's why I might wait a little bit longer to do the actual tour of the desk. There's everything, like, you know, old power strips right now. They're on top of the desk, because, you know, this power, it's supposed to be going down here on a small thing that hangs from the desk and rises and lowers with the desk. I cannot use that until I get my actual setup, because I don't have cables that are long enough for this setup. So I have the tower up here off to my side, but I do have a dock that I'm gonna have right there. That's the only thing that's gonna be able to be seen, and all the power strips are gonna basically be hidden underneath the desk, and everything's gonna be there. So it's gonna be really, really nice, man. I'm talking like I'm gonna run a mining system. No. You're watching the Phoenix Suns games too? Oh, good, man. I hope they win. Yeah. The market's moving up, right? Yeah, it's starting to move up a little bit, Crypto King. We do have some bullish divergence on the shorter time scales, particularly the 1 hour. And again, yesterday, a lot of patterns broke to the downside. A lot of rising wedges broke to the downside. So we talked about that yesterday, right? And the potential of action downside. Even Ethereum met one of its targets. It looks as though we're trying to recover. We're not sure how strong of a recovery we're going to get yet. We still need to test that 20 moving average on a lot of the projects. We'll recap some of them later on. Chris Paul needs this. What? Chris Paul needs what? I'm not even sure who Chris Paul is. But yeah, for sure, man. You know, there's lights here. I haven't bought the lights I want to end up with. I could do a tour of the desk with these lights, although the cables are going to be showing they're short cables. I need to buy extensions. I don't feel like buying extensions, because once I get the lights I want, they're actually going to be hooked on the edge of the desk. It's going to make it much smoother. Instead of, like, these are small tripods that are on the desk, because they don't look as nice. We'll see. We'll see. Everything should be coming out nice. Championship. Yeah. Now there's 2 videos. Nice, Market Slayer. Keep it up, man. That's how channels start. Can I do day trading with Binance with $7,000? You can do anything with $7,000. Why not? Up to you, bro. Cannot tell you what to do with your money. This is not an advice channel. I give you financial advice. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. We're all just discussing ideas here, man. You can do whatever you want with $7,000. You can buy Binance, you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy whatever you want. You can day trade, you can short it, you can long it. Not tell you what to do, right? We're just discussing where the market could go. Let's go and check out the DVT, man. We haven't looked at DVT in a while. So we're gonna go and check out the vault. Where is the vault at? 0.138 cents. That just means it's gonna be the same place, I guess. 4.1, 3.9, who knows? We'll see. Maybe 4.2 because Bitcoin moved down. It's holding. Yeah, 4.2. Look at that. We're geniuses. It's just chop. Right? It looks interesting, but if we zoom out, it's just sideways. Get this to look like this in the dark mode, so your eyes explode from looking at this. But we'll check it. We'll check it, right? I mean, everything is just so range bound here. It's been for a while, so I mean, even if we have divergence, I'm not even sure how strong it's gonna be, right? I'm gonna go to the 4-hour chart. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of analysis here because it's not breaking anything. When we have bullish divergence doesn't really play out here, we might be creating some bearish divergence. We move down. I'll bring out the RSI only. Right? Look, even here we're at 100%, so I can consider this to be valid for the 1 hour. So it's daily. All right. High to low. High to low. There's nothing here bearish or bullish. We're just moving sideways. Neutral around 53.12. That's it. So check this out here, man. If they pass $600 stimulus check, you're gonna spend it all on Bitcoin. Interesting, dude. We're not financial advisors, man. But thanks, I appreciate it. Appreciate your comment. Giovanni says, Giovanni, I think your name might be Giovanni, I'm not sure. XTZ BTC on weekly looks like a reversal. Is it a good investment for a S coin? I'm not sure. Is it? Is anything a good investment ever? How much are you willing to risk? What is your financial situation? What's your entry target and what's your exit target? There's a lot of questions that need to be answered. Bitcoin price, all that matters right now. 172. Man, I would agree with you, but Ethereum is doing something different than Bitcoin. So I don't think Ethereum. I think Bitcoin and alts are not moving in synchrony for the last 4 to 5 days, I think. We saw Bitcoin drop and alts were holding. Even Ethereum was recovering better than Bitcoin when Bitcoin was recovering. Before Bitcoin started to drop, Ethereum was also creating a bearish pattern that made it drop a little bit more. So I'm not sure how accurate that statement is, man. I would say that we really need to consider many more things before we actually consider that to be the final say on this. I was looking at this thing here. I was like not sure what that was. That is a mic. Here we go. Let's get it out of the way. Still trying to get used to where things should be positioned so they're not in frame. This here I know is the chair. Oh, here's the chair. And then that is the awesome thing we have there with the Bitcoin bull and the bear, man. Isn't that great, man? I love that piece of art, man. It's so cool. So nice. I sit here and all of a sudden I get the sentiment of the market. And I get that the market is watching me, man. I'm kidding. But it's pretty cool, man. Market Slayer, are you on our Discord, man? Did you join our Discord? Let me know. Link's been at the top of the chat. So let's keep rolling. Next, XLM. Madison requested XLM, so we're gonna go check it. XLM 0.238, so 23.8 cents, pumping a little bit. Great. Have bullish divergence, that's what we're running. One day when you make a Discord, I should just go join our Discord, man. It's fun there. Still waiting a following channel. And keep on extending this. There we go. Right, almost looking like a symmetrical down sloping channel. Trying to hold support at the 382 or 236 sorry line, 236 line. And we're sitting sold at 35.41. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, low, lower low, negative, less negative. There's some bullish divergence. Oh no, there's not, because there's an island separation. Gotcha. Low, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Oversold at 31.69. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, man. On the 1 hour, there's bullish divergence, just like the rest of the market, right? Just like the rest of the market. I don't care about what happened back here. All I care is what's happening here in the short term. We got the we know the flow of XLM. We've done it plenty of times. So let's get this rolling, right? Look at that. Look at this. Boom. Strong bullish against the MACD and the RSI, man. Market Slayer, have you slayed the market yet? Are you slaying the market? Is the market dragging dead? Are the bears out? Let me know. Sure, buddy. For you, I'll put 8 on the list. I'll put it after calm. I'm interested in looking at it also. I didn't put my coins of interest here. I'll just put it there, man. I imagine Market Slayer getting up, putting on a massive shield, grabbing a sword, and walking down his computer, sitting down, and all of a sudden be like, yo, come get me. Something like that. Not sure. We'll see. It's a good day for the market. It's starting to pump. Look at that. Yay. It's pumping almost 2%. Can you complain? That's it for XLM, right? There's bullish divergence. Does this mean everyone is pumping? Sure, we're going to go check out Ethereum. Before we keep moving, look, Bitcoin's on the green. Hey, go Bitcoin. You got above that 20. It's starting to pump. 5 bill just resubscribed for 3 months. What? That is crazy.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, dude. 5 bill. Thank you very much for that. Also, what's up there on the Twitch, man. I know you're also here. I really appreciate the support, man. Might be like Bjorn. What? Maybe like Bjorn Gum TSI indicator. Trying when I have nothing to do. All right. I might like that. Bjorn Gum. I'm not sure, dude. You seem to have tried a lot of indicators. I usually just go with with some regular technicals. I'm not really depending on a lot of weird indicators. I'll just write it down here, so I can check it out later on, right? Bjorn Gum TSI. All right, just put it there, man. Martin, can you check Bitcoin to the dollar one-day chart? That descending triangle technically has not broken if we connect the lower wicks. Yes, it is not a descending triangle. It is a falling wedge. We'll check it out in a second again. Max Slayer, I know the web trend. Secrets of CryptoFace. Ooh. Wahahahaha. I imagine you're laughing like this. Let's keep rolling. TSI would like to see Killer Indicator. Join the Discord. Send me that stuff and we can discuss, right? Join the Discord for reals. It's an awesome community there. Anyways, bullishness. Starting to pump on that. Great. So Bitcoin rallying. Set Bitcoin on the daily. All right. We know we have that wedge here on this chart. And we're going to go check it. Yo, if we look at the wedge, we have not yet breaking. There it is, right? Wedge. It's a falling wedge, not the same front. You could say, I guess, yeah, if you call that wick. If you're going with the wicks, and you want to say we're moving like this. If you're moving like this, then yes, it will be a descending triangle. But I'm using the bodies. And if we use the candle bodies, we are making a falling wedge. And that's what I'm going with, the falling wedge, because I believe we might be within a falling wedge. I resist to believe that we're all bearish and there's no hope for Bitcoin kind. We're looking for something that is a little bit bullish. I'm not trying to be bullish. I believe this might be the pattern that we're looking at until we break. The fact that we have failed to drop lower and held at those levels. But if you know, we come down here, create another wick there, yes, I would be willing to consider maybe a down sloping triangle. Those tend to break down. Bringing facts in the house. Is he bringing facts today? Are you bringing facts today, man? I know you brought facts to the Discord the other day. I'm sure you brought facts today. Let's keep rolling, man. What have we done? What haven't we done? Excellent. So, Sebi come, dude. Well, Andrew, you picked the weirdest projects out there. It's not here. It's not here either, man. Did I write this right? This is a project you requested, right? Now I'm gonna have to go back here and check. Oh gosh. Here we go. SBE come, dude. Yeah. Haha. SBE, yeah, I put an extra E there, man. There we are. I'm gonna go back to the trading view and check it. That was my bad. Sure. That was my bad, man.
Sorry.
Now let's fix it. There we go. As we become wet on Uniswap. Ooh, pumping 7%. Mighty 7%. There's not gonna be a lot of data. Ooh. All right, we'll see what we can do. Basically, pumping into all-time highs from inception, or at least listing, or you know, being paired. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On Bitcoin, W 1-hour chart, inverted head and shoulders in 5 minutes and 15-minute possibly. Lloyd Carroll, thank you very much for being here, man. Thanks for the information. I don't tend to look at the 15 and 5 minute, but if they're there, that's good, man. Crypto Dingo instead of crypto. If you have extra time, cake. I'm on a diet. I can't have cake right now. I'll check it. We'll see it. How long have we been live for? 42 minutes. All right. We have 3 more coins. I'll put cake on that list, but no more coins after that, right? I close the request. I thought we were gonna move a lot slower, but it's good, man. Who picks these coins? I know. Andrew, why you pick these coins, man? Where are you getting your coins from, dude? Like, do you have like a chart, like a coin guru that comes to you and says, Andrew, you must buy SBE, calm, wet on Uniswap, and then you just go buy it? Not sure. Let me know. The uncle. Oh my God, who's the uncle? Uncle Fester? Uncle, the guy from the hairy dude from the Addams Family? I'm not sure which uncle. Nothing on the 4-hour chart. Let's go to that 1 hour, man. Evgeny, what's up? He's in the face. Let's do it. All right. The only thing I'm seeing here, Andrew, is that there's some bearishness. Big and Fun Manager on YouTube. All right, cool. Like, don't get into what the Barstool Crescent picks. The usual picks loser. I think he gets counter traded by people. Look at that, bearish divergence strong. I mean, it's such a young project. I'm not sure if this is going to play out. We should be looking for some action on the downside, right? The Bitcoin are breaking out. We will go back to Bitcoin in a second. Right, so Andrew, again, I really wish I could give you better feedback here, but not a lot of history. There's bearish divergence. We should be looking at some potential action on the downside. Albeit, let's look at the volume, man. Are we diverging against the volume? Yes, we're also diverging against the volume. Look, we're going higher in the price and against the volume. Going lower, right? You know what this creates? Bearish divergence against the volume. Let's roll. I'm just saying be careful, right? I mean, I'm not sure what this project's going to do. Such a junk project. All I'm seeing is bearish divergence and volume's going down and the price going up. That's just really not good. You tend to see breakdowns there. Get out half, maybe? You know? step out slightly, not all at once. If it starts to pump, you can always get back in. Like I said, the move down right now would be to that 20 moving average. That 20 moving average would be around that 786 or 0.0000786 graph Ethereum. So yeah, be careful with it. Dude. After X2, we're gonna go back to Bitcoin, right? Because apparently it's breaking out. 3 white soldiers, etc., may survive. Yes, I'll personally take my profits. Yes. Let's get here, man. The OXT. What is happening with OXT? When was the last time? I gotta look at the daily. I can't remember which OXT chart we look at. It might be this one. Or this one? We'll see. I have two. The one that has the most data in it. Previous one seems to be most up to date, so I'm gonna go with this one. Right. We haven't looked at OXT in a while, so. Alright, low, lower, low. Bullish divergence strong. Action to the upside. We're starting to move up a bit with this. Nothing here on the RSI. Bought at 63.81. They were coming from a high point to a low point. Guess what? Oh no, the pain. It's bearish divergence. Is it going to come to fruition? I'm not sure. We're getting it near resistance. We're getting it near the 618. Fever retracement, right? It could be that we stagnate there for a bit. But this is very, very real. Look at that. Oh no. We'll put this in place. There we go. So hit divergence. Oh, hopefully it won't stall us too much. Getting above this zone will be good. We can still carry this hidden divergence all the way up here. Probably be better, but we have it here right now. XD sitting at 35 cents. Great. Let's go to the 4 hour. Eugene, what's up? Can I give you advice? I cannot tell you whether or not it's worth investing. I cannot just look at the technicals. We can discuss what I see there, but again, it's not financial advice. Should load high, negative, less negative, load high, nothing here. Bought at 67.99, and on that, we could say that on this last bit, and I would rather wait for some confirmation, but till right now, we're moving sideways. Guess what this sideways motion brings? Right now, bearish divergence. Strong or not strong, medium bearish divergence, which is for the price to go somewhere else. Right now it dropped. We no longer have divergence. We get, like I said, we gotta wait for confirmation, right? But right now it was building it. Just gotta keep on tracking it. If it goes slightly higher, we're still lower here. We still have strong bearish divergence. We might be looking for a move down, so be careful on our chart. I bet we're gonna have bullishness, or we don't. Oh, first of all, we got to anchor this. I hate it when I forget to anchor stuff. It's so sad, man, that we forget to anchor stuff sometimes. So sad. A little high, negative, more negative, right? Let's get this roll. Hidden bullish divergence at support, the 20 moving average, pumping. Going to get higher on the previous high, we could be looking for some action downsides here, maybe start consolidate this level, which again would seem the likely outcome right now. That means we're probably going to break below this fib node here. I think it was a 382 and a half, maybe 50%. Yeah, 50% retrace. So, oh, we're breaking it, huh? All right, so we've been breaking it and going for that 20 and bouncing again. We'll see though. Right now it's neutral at 58.9, still pointing down. So price action very likely will be going down right now on what we're seeing here on OXT. On that note, let's go on to Bitcoin itself. Let's recap Bitcoin because apparently it was breaking out. We're gonna go see if the corn broke out. Is the corn popping? Is the corn popping, man? It is still pumping. 3 white soldiers, yes, almost. Not there yet. We're rejecting 33,090. That was the move that we called for, right? When we were in the stream, we were in the red. We said if we do go up, get above that 20, we could be looking for a test of 33,090. See if we get above there. Above there we have 33,309, and then above there 34,151. If we reject the 20th support, then 31,400. Right, that was a target to the downside. 31,432. Gotta wait for candle confirmation, right? Not looking too bad yet. Rejecting the zone would be not good, right? Getting us to go lower. That said, Corn is popping, man. We did OXT. Let's get up comp. The Compton, right? Straight out of Compton. $104.92 for the comp. What we're looking at here, it is preposterous. Let's go to the daily. Still making that handle. We're good. Right, we're good. All right, so early pattern detection is working. We did call this before we started that move down. Right now we're going to go down, and that's all good. Right? The question was asked whether or not it is a bear trap. We don't know yet. Trampus, what is up, dude? Thinking about doing here. Let's wait and see if this is gonna build. All right, we're gonna wait for this handle to build. Hopefully it'll build, and we'll get very, very nice action to the upside here. Once that happens, I'll open up the book and set up a target. Right now, there's no point in setting up a target to the upside if we don't know whether or not we're gonna be within this pattern. How do we know we're gonna be within this pattern? I'll be waiting for a hit, maybe around here, that 786. Sorry, no, that 618. Sorry, and start to get that action to the upside, right? Even if we hit here and bounce, we're starting to move up. I would be willing to trace. We need 29 more likes. Slime. Yeah. If you don't hit the like, Nickelodeon will send some slime to your house and it'll fall into your hand magically. I'm kidding. I don't know anyone at Nickelodeon to be able to pull that off, but it'll be pretty cool. So hit the likes. Unless you want to be slimed. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour chart, brought to you by Slime. Kidding. No paid advertisement. We were looking for some hidden divergence that we didn't get. But now we're starting to create some strong bullish divergence. So I'm just shifting things here a little bit. Using the itsy bitsy spider method, right? It's not a real method. I just call it that. Because, you know, you're anchor like this, and then it's just easier to switch that there, and then you go like the itsy bitsy spider, turn up the water spout. There we go. We're sold at 39.93, man. Then again, bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. Let's see if we can get that to happen. Moving up, hitting that 20 sitting at $462.56, and above there we have that 50% retrace. If we drop, we could be hitting that 786, which again, would not be necessarily bad, as we would still be within that handle part of the cup and handle. 1 hour chart. Let's get the 1 hour chart going, man. Load up. There we go. We're looking for the bullish divergence. Guess what? We kept on dropping. Look at that. We dropped more. That's why I tell you guys to keep on tracking, right? After the stream is done, just keep on checking. Well, we drop lower. We still have less negative momentum. Bullish divergence strong, still there. On this last bit, we even created it here against the RSI. Look at that, right? Boom. Bullish divergence. Strong action to the upside. Pumping. Great. We're going from high to low. Positive to positive. High to low. Sold at 37.30. Again, short term, there's nothing bearish. We just went down more. And guess what? We're still creating strong bullish divergence. So, more potential for action to the upside. Please, may I have some ball? You want ball? And then here, I'm going to target from here right now. But in theory, we could go from the highest point. That would be back here. And it would be a straight line because it's from one island to the next. Yevgeny says, I close my long to see 4 hour close. So you're going to stay same, going to enter it again. Interesting. Hope you were profitable on your long. Close them along. Close it along. Keep rolling, man. Let's go to ADA. And we're gonna finish the way we need to. With some freaking dessert, right? We're gonna finish with cake. ADA at $1.31. Woo! Exciting! Kidding, dude. We're below at $1.40, which was our target. It took us a while to get there. Bearish divergence broke us down. Oh no, how the mighty have fallen. We did hold support for 2 days until yesterday. We broke it. And we broke the 20 also. So today we broke there and we broke the 20. Right now, tomorrow we're opening on the red. Still rejecting that 20 already once, but looks like we're trying to go up. We're neutral at 44.15, so not a lot happening here on the daily. Let's go to that 4-hour chart, man. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, join me on Twitter. The Twitter is going out. You can join me there. I just tweet when I go live, and I tweet some other stuff sometimes, so sometimes I tweet, sometimes I don't. Daily I tweet that I go live. Sometimes I don't tweet stuff throughout the day. That is funny. Sometimes I do. It's a surprise. Let's get this on the, okay, get this on me. Dude, let's get this on, yeah. Hit it like the bell on the side. That's what I want to say first. Anyways, more lower. I speak English good. Going lower. And then lower on the other side, lower here also in the MACD. So we do have some hidden divergence. Oh, would you look at that? Ain't that great? I like the streams better. When I'm standing up, like my energy level is so different than when I'm sitting down. I feel less tired. And it's good to be standing up, dude. It feels good to be standing up and in the stream. You let me move my hand like this. Whatever. Let's keep rolling. Don't you hate it when you do that? You look at your hand like you get a watch, all of a sudden you realize you don't have a watch. It's like an old habit. I'm not sure if that happens to you guys. It happens to me sometimes. I'm like standing there, I go like this, check my hand, then I go like this, and I'm like, oh crap, I had no watch. Why am I watching time? It's insane, man. My neck has gotten longer since then. Yes, I'm a giraffe. No, it's about the same length. It's just I look up more, so I'm not sure if it's gotten longer or not. I doubt it. Anyways, that's it for this. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. $5 says, "You the man." Hype, 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 hype. Shame something. I'm not sure if that's from today. I think it's from today. Sorry, man. I'm trying to get used. Like, over here on the side, I have the YouTube chat, then I have the Twitch chat, then I have Twitter. Then here I have the Discord, and I have the main chat where everything happens. Sometimes I forget to look at that chat or that Twitch chat because I have the YouTube chat there also. It's too early to compare volume to the previous 2 dumps. It might. If there's less volume though, and if there's less volume, I would tell you that it might not be the strongest move. So, might not be as reliable. Look at this. There's a bullish divergence. Now we go up. I like the bull. So it's not looking too bad, right? We call it strong bullish divergence here against the MACD and the RSI. There you go. Sold 36.20, right? For a Wyckoff ST, it needs to go down, but lower volume. It might. What? That's a lie. Remember when you started your first... What? Remember when you first started your channel, you had a twin brother come on sometimes? Oh, I can tell why is this thick accent? What the hell? I don't know a twin brother, but that's hilarious. Yes, bull trap. We don't know yet. It's too early to tell. That's it for Ada. Let's go check something else. Cake. Let's get some cake. Cookie. Look, I can type. I can't type. Here you go. The accent was so thick I could not tell it. Or signaling a lack of liquidity. Ooh, lack of liquidity, yes. That's what happens when there's no volume. We did close the bulge bands, tighten them. Volume came back in and dropped lower, but look at that, 3 white soldiers. Isn't that good? I like this track. Ooh. I said a lot about a lot of tracks. Pepperidge Farm remembers. I know, Pepperidge Farm does remember. They have good memory. They didn't get Alzheimer's. Because they ate, what did they make at Pepperidge Farms? Peppers? They ate, candy. They didn't get anything bad with them. Let's do that cake, man. At $14.10. $14.10. Let's get on that daily. Ooh, exciting. It's taking forever. Here we go, it's loading. High to low. High to low and low to high. Hit and bash that buttons. Last thing we had was this bullishness. Oh yeah, pumped. I have not been looking at cake that much, I guess. That hidden divergence, it breaks you down. Look at the 618, add resistance. My bad if you see the videos from 1 year ago. It's not you, it's your twin brother with accent. I don't have an accent, man. But thanks for watching my videos from a year ago. My English is always the same. I make accents sometimes. And then sometimes I speak faster, so we'll see. Someone's watching my videos for a year ago. We have a stalker in the house. Hey there, stalker. How's it going? There we go, right? So, there's strong bullish divergence for action to upside. We did pump a little bit, creating that hidden bearish, breaking us back down, but we're still above that 20 and we're still trying to hold support. If you want to look at cake with different eyes, I would suggest that if you extend these lines, here's a falling wedge. A falling wedge could be bullish. And I'm just going to draw that right now for you guys. Look at this. Look at this magical falling wedge here. It's so good. You can't believe it's not butter. Look at the wedge, it's falling. We taught Martin how to speak and walk upright, yes. Alright, I was crawling, living in a cave with the Cro-Magnon before, the Homo sapiens came along and taught me to walk erect. Neutral at 46.16. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Where does grayscale lookup even matter? I feel like the price is dropping since everyone's anticipating that. Yes. It does happen, right? People anticipate and they make stuff happen. Like when Elon tweeted. There was no reason to go down. Just people got scared and started to sell. Thus, Elon tweet. People sold. And now we're in this mess. It wasn't Elon's fault. It was the people that interpreted his message. And started to sell because they, they believe whatever he says is gospel. That got us in this hole. That is the way the cookie crumbles. And that's the way the crypto crumbles. Ooh, I should make that my catchphrase. We're neutral at 43.37, man. Well, in fact, I'm out. Been driving and listening. A few more states to go. Dude, how many states have you been to? Are you okay? I'm concerned about your well-being. You're traveling, seeing so many states. Are you healthy? Like something wrong with you or something, man? You know, like you also said you were kicking a lot of things off your bucket list, so I hope you're doing okay, man. Let's go to the 1 hour. Look at this strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. You're just enjoying your money? Ooh, that's nice. Here's rule 40.32. That's it for the cake. Potential action to the upside. We should be hitting for that 20 moving average at $14.35. Right now at $14.11 on the dot. Look at that. Would you look at that? That's it. Let's go to the coin again. In Ethereum and see where we're at. Oh, the corn, 0.51% to the upside. 0.48 now. Still trying to pump a little bit. Let's go to Ethereum and see where it's at. Ethereum on the green. Oh, great. All right, so someone told me something earlier about Bitcoin following and Ethereum not there, and stuff like that. Cover this now because the wow, there we go. It takes a while for it to focus me. The Ethereum. What is the Ethereum doing? High to low. Low to high. Ethereum on the 4 hour broke out of this rising wedge. And we fell, and look at that, on the same candle that we wicked this same low to the dot. We wicked it to the dot, right? We already established that. The low was not the low. Here I need to handle like that. $2,050. That was our target. $2,050.49. Here, the low went to $2,050. Forget the cents, dude. It's $2,000. We're off by 50 cents. We're at target. And like I said, we don't know if we're done yet. We don't know if this was the move, right? This move comes from here. High to that low. Right to that low there. And this one is the larger one. From this low that high, we don't know which one's going to play out yet. We believe it's this one, the short one, but we don't know if we're actually considering from way back here. So on that note, I believe that we could be looking for some recovery if we were to play off this one. In particular, if we hold these prices, we could be still looking for maybe a potential bounce. And remember what we said, there is some hidden divergence. We might be stagnating for a bit before we continue dropping. Just keep that in mind. On the 1 hour, the bullish divergence is there. We're still pumping. We broke that line for the first one. We need to break above that 20 moving average on the 4 hour if we want to go bullish short term. And I really hope we get there. I hope we create an inverse head and shoulders. That would be really, really nice. That would be neat. That would be neat. When we want neat stuff to happen here to the corn, sorry, to Ethereum. I want neat stuff to happen to Ethereum. Look at this. Oh. Would you look at that? This is what I'm looking for right now. To here, and then maybe on a bounce. It's to bounce a little bit more. But here, right? And then we create an inverse head and shoulders, and then it would be really, really nice. Because then we could be looking for action upside, although we know that inverse head and shoulders have not really been playing out a lot lately. So, see what's going to happen, man. The Bitcoin. The Bitcoin. What's the Bitcoin doing, man? Just satisfaction. What? Thanks for being here. Much appreciated.
What's up?
Con, man, I'm already married, so sorry about that. But thanks, man. I appreciate it. Let's get here on the Bitcoin. Did the Bitcoin 1 hour do anything interesting? I'm not sure. Do we have bullish divergence? I think we might have had bullish divergence this year. 33,000. $2. Still riding. Yes, we had the bullish divergence. Look at that. We already called it earlier. It's all good, man. Thanks for the invitation, though. Join the Discord if you want to be part of the family. It's great there. It's fun. If you guys like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, and hit the sub, right? Oh, no, the Twitter, don't go out there. Just the like, the bell, and the sub. Not going out. Hit the like, hit the bell, and the sub. Yeah, there we go. right? So that's it for this. I mean, there's nothing bearish. We can still be looking for recovery, but we still have not gotten above the $33,090 mark, and we know we need to get above that area, right? We know it's a must. We rejected already once. This could even be argued to be a double bottom, right? A double bottom. This would be an Eve. By the looks of it, is rounded, and this would look like an Adam. So Adam and Eve double bottom. Look at that. Right? We're trying to break above that confirmation line right now, which is here. We're just barely there. Struggling to break that confirmation, right? It's Martin. What? You're crazy, man. How many people do we have watching? 40 people watching, only 34 likes. Oh, we're lacking on the likes, man. We're lacking on the likes, man. There we go. Yeah. So, we're gonna wrap it up. Because why not, right? Let's wrap things up. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have been going out. Talk to crypto about your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. It is State of Crypto. I am your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome, what are we at today? Thursday night. Yes, it's a Thursday. Finally, tomorrow's Friday and the weekend's upon us. Isn't it great? I'm so excited for the weekend. Not the singer, but the weekend in general. Jorge Carranza, dude, you're in the house. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. I'll say what's up to you, though, before I leave.
What's up?
Haven't seen you in a while. Thanks for being here, man. Todd Wolf, marry my brother, please. I'm sorry, man. I don't swing that way. But thanks for the invitation. Again, you can also join the Discord if you want to be part of the family. The Crypto Fams. Preparing for wars. Thanks, brother. Oh, thank you, man, for being here. Dan, you're leaving? Yes, dude. I've been live for like about an hour and 10 minutes. Hour and 20 minutes. I gotta keep it short, man. There's still a lot of stuff I gotta do in the house still. So there's a lot of noise outside. I had to start late, but I gotta finish early tonight. I'm sorry about that. I really wish I could stay longer. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. None of the information that we provide here, it's you should be trading on, right? Or anything like that. All the information we provide here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. And on that note, I'm out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.